The Rocky BlizzardStalker Pro waterproof insulated boot will keep your feet warm, dry, and on solid footing. This insulated hunting boot has great traction, gripping the terrain with a multi-directional Blizzard outsole for excellent traction and stability. The waterproof leather with Cordura combination upper resists tears and provides additional waterproofing. The TPU molded shell and heel offer great stability, and padded molded foam collar gives additional comfort. This 9-inch boot was made with Rocky's waterproof system, allowing air to circulate in but keeping water out. Your feet will also be toasty, wrapped in 1,200 grams of Thinsulate Ultra insulation. Hunting will be dry, warm, and comfortable with the Rocky BlizzardStalker Pro waterproof insulated boot.